It's Thursday morning at 10:30. I've been working in the office all morning. Paperwork just never ends. So anyway, the black 75 Norton is still on the lift. We've got it pretty well stripped, and I'm going to do some more stripping. I didn't get any magic advice in the commentaries area of the channel. So apparently all this stuff back here has to come off. It's the way I've done it in the past. And I'll do her again on this one. Now, on the other hand, I am going to take this bike off the lift this morning and put the gold bike back on the lift because I've got the chain for it. I've got the chain right there. And I'm going to put this guy back up on the lift. Put the chain on it, adjust it, align the wheel, check the brake, all that stuff. And then take it down and put this one back up. And then get Kevin to schedule some time here, maybe this afternoon, maybe tomorrow, for us to test ride the golden bike. I need Kevin here. Even if I'm going to test ride it, I still need Kevin here to do the video. So that's the plan. The Norton comes down for a while. The gold Norton goes back up for a while. Then the black Norton will go back up for a while. And we'll try to keep the interruption as short as possible before I get back into the ice elastics on this bike. I did clean the inside of the oil tank yesterday. I wash it out with, there's no way I can show it to you. I just don't think it would, there's just not a chance. Anyway, it's clean as a whistle in there. And what I do is I put gasoline in it. No, I don't have any kerosene in the shop. I don't stock kerosene. I put gasoline in it. And then I have this wand over here. I'll show it to you. This wand here, I put this down the filler and swish it around until I break up all that sludge at the bottom of the tank, and then carefully throw it away in a Mother Nature friendly container for proper removal and disposal. And then I do it a couple more times, and then once I feel like I've gotten all of the sludge out, I wash the tank with strong detergent until it comes out completely clean. Let's see, just see, if I take this and put it here, can I shine a light down inside bright enough to see? Yeah, you can actually see. I'm going to zoom in here and let's see what we see. Okay, I'm going to zoom in here. Ooh, look at the bottom of that tank. Isn't that pretty? Just as clean as a whistle. Put it up here. Anyway, yep, that there is clean. So if you ever get a chance to feel around in the bottom of the tank of your bike, you'll be amazed at how much crud's in there. Okay, this is going to be removed. This anti-drain valve, and I'll try to find a piece of this herringbone to make this end this long, and just put a splice right here. This stuff is incredibly expensive, so I'll see if I can't find a little piece, and that'll be just fine. These are parts that are going back on the bike. These are parts that are not going back on the bike, and that's where we are. So it's sort of a status report.